Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, October 13th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the US dollar Swiss, we had this big push down on Friday because of the big tariff news on Friday, but I'm not really convinced that that is the end of anything. I think that it's more likely it is still going to go up and make what is either a WXY or a flat. I'm thinking that it might be an ABC flat right here because it's three waves up, three waves down. I think it's going to make five waves up for a wave C, and then probably go take out these highs and then reverse back to the downside. So, anyways, taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. Like I said, I'm really not convinced that this is that now into a downtrend, especially because the major structure right here definitely was not able to break and hold. Now, I would probably keep an eye on this move up to see if it makes a significant lower high, because it definitely could try to turn down. But I think we need to be a little bit cautious thinking that it has to turn down or that it will turn down. It might just end up, making like a three-way pullback like this and then not breaking structure and continuing the higher time frame uptrend. So based on the higher time frame, I'm still looking at anything I see to the downside is likely just a pullback within an uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.